Well, look at this shit here. What the hell your ass doing being a damn Uber driver?
I need some money.
You always need some damn money.
Your ass ain't paying me.
Man, what? Let me get my... What the... What?
Yeah, that's child lock.
Child lock? What you doing with child lock on
That's
here?
your son's child lock.
Oh, my fucking God.
Where you going?
To the damn courthouse.
What you going to court for?
For child support shit that you put me on.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Well, don't need Google Maps for this one.
Well, let me get my ass.
Ah, what? I'm a professional.
Shut up. You ain't no damn professional. You just start doing this damn shit.
Come on, now, this my work car.
Man, I don't want to help you get this damn work car.
And your son thanks you.
Man, whatever. Just get me to the courthouse before I won't be too late,
Okay,
man.
cool, but make sure you tip me.
How about you tip your ass in this courthouse and help them lower them prices?
Oh, Lord, somebody call. Hold on, wait.
Really?
Yeah.
Get my ass up.
Good luck.
Shut up.